It's in the size of this tree. It's like taken out of the fence. He's really documenting it.
Split straight down the middle.
We're trying to find our way into this. Some bees. I think we've got to go over that way to get to what we're looking for. What's up guys, Ash Weaving here. Today we're out on another explore with my mate YouTube here, and we're at this pretty insane looking house. Looks like something out of an American horror film, so we're going to have a bit of a look around. Hopefully we can get in this today because we've been taking L's all day. Let's see how we go. The front entrance is boarded up, so if I try our luck through the older section, but we might be out of luck. Not too sure. It's pretty crazy. There's a door off like an old XA to XC Falcon, so there's some age to it. Oh, this place is awesome. Can't wait to get inside. I think we found a way in, so we can just climb through that window down there. So I didn't like the computer too much by the looks of it. That murky ass water, look. It's like bugs and stuff floating around. In, looks like we're in like a little lounge room. There are so many papers, books, just junk everywhere in here. Oh, Mew's getting a chair. There's the front door. That's what we couldn't get through before. There's literally just trash everywhere in here. So this must have been the bathroom. I'm going to go in next. We know what's going to be. That's the staircase though. It's pretty cool.
Why the hell is there a Michael Caine book in here?
Don't know where.
Just saw that.
So we're in like another lounge room type thing. This could have been the lounge room. That front one could have been a bedroom. They died here. Son first, mum second, me last. Creepy. But as you would have seen earlier, that down that way is actually where the old part connects onto this section. So yeah, it's looking pretty good. Wow, there is just junk everywhere. They literally took nothing with them by the looks of it. It's going to be hard to get across there. Maybe. So many magazines. VHSs too. A Few Good Men, Tom Cruise. Missing in Action. Kentuckian. So many. Dolly Parton World Tour book. It's 2011, so that's the newest thing here that I've seen. That's the backyard. Man, there's just junk everywhere in here. 2002. I found a Dolly Parton World Tour book from 2011, so that's the newest thing. It's old. It's very hard to move around here. Everything in this building is just so old. This is the outside. It's like a veranda part that got covered up.
Do you want a tape of Ladette to like?
Oh, of course. That show was wild. There's so many tapes in here. That looks cool, but I don't know if we'll get out there. I'm gonna go this way. Go over where Mew is.
Sorry, there's so much crap on the ground. It was an older couple or something, but it's kind of like its own place, so it's because the place is really big. You didn't actually.
Oh, they're brand new shoes.
How big it was, but still so much more to see.
So just random bed frames everywhere too. Run white tube.
I think you just said someone ran past us. Like, what?
No, that would have been wild. Man, there's just magazines galore in here. Doesn't end. So apart for the end, I'm going to go upstairs first. I'm going to have a good look. See what we got. This looks like downstairs, like formal. Man, it's just junk. Everyone's just pulled out everything out of this place. It's crazy. Like, this place is epic. Like, it's in terms of its size and just the style of it, it's very unusual. But it is trashed. Like, they left a lot of stuff here and made a real mess of it too. So hopefully I'm in focus. But yeah, pretty epic though. Oh, another bathroom. Looks like everything's been removed though. Wow, look at that shower head though. Doesn't want to focus. There we go. That shower head. Wow. It's all like durries, little cans. That's cool though. This is a bedroom. How's this though? You wake up in the morning, you can open your, these would have been like French doors, now onto your balcony. Huge balcony too, like look how wide it is. It's amazing, but someone's like literally kicked out every pole on this side, so it's not structurally sound. But won't be taking any walks out on this, I don't think. Let's continue on. It looks like it was like a pantry or cupboard or linen cupboard. Oh, it just smells like poop. It's like, I don't know if that's like lamb's wool and it's ended upstairs here. It's like a lot of it too. This whole room's full of lamb's wool. It's just destroyed. That's the nice walk-in robe though. This might have been like a master bedroom or something. Very cool. And then we've got this veranda again. Don't think I'll be going on it, just because it looks rotten as hell. Moving into the older section now. As you see from before, this was like the middle cut between the two buildings. And just same, exactly the same.
Come check this out.
Wow, this place is rotten. Whoa, I remember these. That is a very old, that's actually a wood heated oven.
That's so old, man.
Yeah. Neighbour of ours had one of these. Very cool.
It's super easy.
Just look at all the junk that's here. There's like a diet dry ginger ale.
Yeah.
Still
Pickled onions.
yuck. So many cups though too. And it's hundreds of thousands. Look at that joinery in that. It's so bad. My light's starting to fade as well, which isn't good. Well, this was like another like external pantry. Oh, chum. Doggo never got to eat. So much stuff left behind, it's crazy. This is like the really, really old section. Wow. Hopefully guys, this is picking up okay. I know my batteries are going flat. I don't have any more with me, unfortunately. All these phone numbers. So like Asian stuff here too. Oh, Wilfred. Wilfred's been here. Like literally this place, you could spend ages here just sifting through just stuff. So much stuff. Creepy as that. That couch looks bung as. TV's completely cooked. Very cool though. Sells a bathroom. I think this is the third. Oh my god, the toilet's so disgusting. And it's very retro. Those doors remind me of my old house in King Lake. Dog food. Whoa. paper. Literally just stuff everywhere you look. Just stuff. Not too sure what this originally could have been, this room. It's pretty cool. Very cool. Not too sure what this thing is. It's quite old. So we've got that shed to check over there in a bit. I think we're going to have a quick look at this one because it's got the tractor in it. Oh, this is epic. It's literally like they just packed up and left. Took like a bag of clothes and that's it. Like, this is old. It's like a hay shaker. It's like old hay bales up there. Goes through this like pulley system. That's probably, yeah, that's why the tractor's here. They were using it to run this. It's pretty cool. This is an old Fordson tractor. Not too sure, it hasn't got anything on it. It's pretty cool. Check out the inside of this old shed. It's crazy. It's all falling apart, so you don't want to go in there. This looked at one point that it was a serious operation. Look how big these sheds are. Must have stored a lot of like hay and stuff here. There's an old shed there, a fair bit of farming equipment. And there's a few like tanks over there too, might have held grain. Quite interesting. This is cool. Farm truck, usually dumped them wherever they stopped. That is a Bedford. The logo's been taken, but that's a Bedford truck. It's pretty cool. Nuts and bolts there, yes.
Timber there.
Yeah. That's like a bench top made of blocks. So many tools. So much random stuff. Such little time. Crazy. And like another part of the workshop here. A lot of bags of wool. All like stirrups and stuff from horses. It's pretty epic. Guys, that's the end of this little adventure today. Hopefully you enjoyed it. I enjoyed it. You enjoyed it too. So if you want to join the ash weaving army, hit that like, give this video a like, hit the subscribe button, check me out on Instagram as Ash Weaving, and I'll see you epic guys next time. No, I'm just joking, Ash. I'm just playing around with you, mate. Make some bloody videos for crying out loud too. But anyway, thank you all so much for watching. Check us out. Check Scotty out on YouTube. Check me out on _Panda Explores on Instagram. Yeah, give me a like. Give this channel a subscribe. We're only 39 subscribers away from 1,000, which is such a big thing for me. So, yeah, get your friends on board. Tell your grandma. Get her on board as well. So, until next time, guys. My name's Matt. It's been Panda Explores. I'll see you all next time.